Hi guys, how's it going tonight? My name is Giacomo, I'm a sommelier and mixologist, and tonight we're going to learn how to make a Boulevardier, which is a very nice variation of a classic cocktail, the Negroni. For the Boulevardier you need a rye of your choice, or bourbon, Campari, and Martini Sweet Vermouth. My choice is Martini Rosso Sweet Vermouth. Let's start with the base of the cocktail, the rye. 1 full ounce in the Boston shaker, 1 ounce of Campari, and 1 ounce of Martini Rosso Sweet Vermouth. Perfect. Add some ice. And you can start to stir until your Boston shaker is nice and chill. After that, strain your cocktail into a rock glass over fresh big ice or regular ice, but I prefer big ice. Nice and slow. And your Boulevardier is ready. Now you just need a garnish. You can go with orange slice or orange peel. I like to use both, but in this case I'm gonna go with the peel, a nice rim, squeeze on top, go inside, and your Boulevardier is ready. Cheers!